Hey, have you guys looked at your insurance recently? And I'm not talking about, well, life and trauma and stuff as part of it as well. But I think in terms of, I mean, like general business insurance, even your contents and house insurance, to be honest, geez, let's just say any insurance, to be perfectly honest. Um, Even if you've been in a cave for the last 6 months, I'm sure you would have seen or heard of the flooding, the natural disasters, the huge insurance claims that have been made or will have been made over the last 6 months, and it just seems to be more and more regular. I was at a seminar recently, and there was an insurance person talking, and it was quite interesting. I probably hadn't realised some of the potential impacts of it. They're talking about insurance being on a global scale, like so our insurance companies in New Zealand don't buy in the New Zealand market; they play in the global market. So even global issues affect our insurances. It's not solely just what happens in New Zealand. And if you look at America, they're having tornadoes and flooding every second month, which is significantly worse than what it was. But this guy was talking about quite often you find that people are significantly uninsured, and I have that conversation with people quite regularly from a contents point of view. People are uninsured, but from a business point of view, what does that mean? And the question is, going forward, will you be able to get insurance? And even one of the comments that was brought up is, as a director of a company, do you have a liability to make sure that the insurance for the company is sufficient? Question mark. Hasn't been tested yet, but it's going to go down that track. So you've got to think about what your director responsibilities are. So if you haven't looked at your insurance for a while, then I would strongly recommend it. If you want the name of some insurance people to talk to, let us know. We will give you some names. Go have a conversation with them. That costs you nothing. So why not go and see what cover you've got, and then actually look at potentially what cover you should have? Because if you haven't reviewed it for a while, and if you say, oh, I reviewed it before COVID, well, that was 3-4 years ago. So it's probably worthwhile sitting down and having a further review. So just have a think about it, insurance, and what you've got cover for, because potentially down the road, some things you might not be able to get cover for. So just have a think, and reach out if you'd like any contact details. Thanks.